Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Nerve-Alive. Nerve-Alive is marketed as a supplement designed to reduce nerve discomfort and support overall nerve health. The product highlights alpha-lipoic acids as its key ingredient, which say to erase common issues like tingling, burning, or pins and needles sensation in the hands and feet. Advertised claim that with the daily use, results can be felt in as little as 7 days, and after 4 weeks, nerve discomfort may be reduced by around 50%. Another selling point is that Nerve-Alive includes neurotropic B vitamins. These are described as important for nurturing nerves, improving communication between them, and helping to build strong nerve insulation. This makes the supplement sound like more than just pain relief. It's presented as long-term support for nerve health. The company also emphasizes its global experience in nerve care, stating that the formula is based on years of research and clinical studies. This brand is meant to give the product extra credibility and trust. However, while the promises are impressive, there are important things to keep in mind. The results may vary a lot of person to person, and not everyone will experience quick relief. Some people may feel side effects like nausea or stomach upset, which the product itself warns about. About concern is that most of the claims come directly from the company's advertising rather than independent medical reviews. This makes it harder to confirm how effective the supplement really is outside of their own testing. Overall, Nerve-Alive looks appealing for people struggling with nerve discomfort, and its formula includes ingredients that have been studied for nerve health. But the lack of strong third-party proof means buyers should stay cautious. It might providing relief for some users, but it also carries the risk of not working as well as advertised. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.